Wow, look at that. New keyboard, poggers. It arrived just now. I know, I'm so shaky. Wait. This is gonna be, I'm just gonna open the box. Oh my god. Yo. That is very nice. Can I just take it out? Yo, oh my god. I've wanted the Leopold keyboard for a very long time. So, this didn't have any switch options. It only has silent reds. And yeah, you could not hear it. I mean, you can, but yeah, very quiet. What else is in here? Cable. Oh. Okay. That's USB mini. It's not focusing. Whatever. Is that all in the box? I think so. I mean, oh, there are two extra little keys here, and the keycap holder. That's cool. That's good to know. So it's a step control, and oh, it's for switching these two. Okay, cool. That's the unboxing. Bye-bye.